How to fix Xbox app error 0x87DD0003 in Windows. The network troubleshooter can help fix problems with your internet connection that might be preventing the Xbox app from accessing Xbox Live. The fixes should be automatically applied. Changing your DNS settings to Google's DNS can improve your internet connection stability and speed, potentially resolving issues connecting to Xbox Live. Corruption in the gaming services on your system can lead to various issues with accessing Xbox Live services. Reinstalling gaming services can resolve these problems by refreshing its components. Now open PowerShell. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.